So we got this article right here that we're going to talk about from the Daily Hodl. There's two crypto projects that Pantera Capital is looking at that they think will outperform in this current bull cycle. Let's go ahead and see what they're talking about. And then we'll go ahead and do a price prediction for one of the projects. Analysts at the crypto hedge fund Pantera Capital are naming two altcoin projects they're optimistic about for the bull run. In his latest blockchain letter, Pantera Capitalist Cosmo Jean and Eric Lowe say they are looking for crypto projects that are gaining fundamental traction. All that's simply just to say we're looking for altcoins that's creating a use case. Quote, tokens with underlying protocols that have product market fit are guided by strong management teams and have a path to sustainable unit economics will perform best in the coming cycle. The analyst first mentioned Stacks. That is the cryptocurrency that we're going to do a price prediction on today. A project that aims to help scale Bitcoin and bring smart contract capability to the leading cryptocurrency by market cap. Say the analysts, quote, Stacks' mission to bring innovation to Bitcoin is thus both exciting and timely. Interestingly, in this moment in time, Stacks is also the only live generalized smart contract layer 2 on Bitcoin today, which contrasts with the Ethereum ecosystem where there are dozens of competing layer 2 jockeying for market share. While there may be multiple viable Bitcoin layer 2s over time, given its first mover marketing positioning, we believe Stacks has a competitive edge for quite some time against any new competition that emerges, and we expect they are coming. So get the good. It's time for those who are interested in Stacks. Pretty much what they're saying is, while it's good, go ahead and buy Stacks because the competition is going to get more fierce and more participation is going to come to the layer 2 layer for Bitcoin, and thereby increase more cryptocurrency projects vying and fighting for that ultimate position for scalable solutions on Bitcoin's blockchain. So pretty much what they're saying is Stacks has the first leader advantage right now, but don't expect that to last too much longer because they expect that more participation is going to come on the Bitcoin blockchain. Okay, so given that that's the case, since they are so adamant about Stacks and what they're trying to complete and do on Bitcoin, do you think it's going to continue to go up in price? Because if you've seen the price action in Stacks, then obviously you already know that Stacks has almost made, or I think it did actually make all-time highs on Binance. The high into the market at Binance for Stacks was on December the 1st, 2021, when the market hit $3.25. This is where the market in Stacks topped out. We are now trading in this same vicinity today. So for you, if you caught this move in Stacks to ride it all the way up to all-time highs, I want to say congratulations. Yeah, I want to commend you for having the willpower to hold this currency while it was trading below $1. The market in Stacks traded all the way around like 20 cents at the all-time low off of this exchange, right there around all-time lows. And if you held it all the way up until $3.07, you are up massively. So yeah, let me give you a hand, because unlike some other people, they expect you to hold to the cryptocurrency for the next 6,000 years, and then let's hopefully see what would be the value of these altcoins. Now, don't forget, the getting is good right now on Stacks because there's not that much competition trying to scale up the solution for Bitcoin. Not right now. But as more competition comes, do you suspect that Stacks, the value that it has right now at $3.07, that is going to be maintained? Do you think it's going to go down in value, or do you think it's going to continue to increase? So let's go ahead and do a price prediction real quick. We did a price prediction in Stacks all the way back here on June the 21st, 2023. We were looking for the market to go up then at that particular moment in time, and it took the market to the ending of the year 2023 before the price actually went up. So I will have to say that this price prediction that we produced back in June timeframe of 2023 did not go right. Now, it took too long for the market to actually go up. We was expecting to go up a lot sooner, and as you can tell, it didn't even do that. So that did not play out well. So we could get rid of that. And now we can bring the market up to where we are at current time. Currently, we can draw an idea as to what the market currently is trading like. We're trending. And this is what Pantera Capital is talking about in the current cycle. This is the current bull market right now in stacks. Very, very bullish. So what we're going to do, we're going to create another sell zone into the market in stacks. Okay. Now this market is still bullish. Even though we're seeing price hitting all-time highs on Binance, this currency is still bullish. So we need to maintain that same idea that the price is going to continue to go higher. This tells me right here that even though we saw a lot of selling trying to hit the market in stacks before it made all-time highs, that there was enough demand in the market to the point where price wasn't affected. Price still went up. So this is a very strong cryptocurrency as of this particular moment. Now, let's see what happened to the market in stacks on the 2-day time frame. Right here, I want you all to see how the weakness came through, right? We got that up fake created. But then the next 2 days, the market didn't even go down. It still went up. It still closed higher than the previous 2-day bar close. And look at this current 2-day bar. We're still seeing that demand is still here into the market in stacks. Here it is on the 3. This is very bullish right here, to where we received a push to go down and an up fake, and the market closed on the low in this 3-day bar, and then immediately the next 3 days it went right back up. So we're still seeing demand in this whole area. I would say from like $2.36 all the way up there to like $3.40. That is where the bullishness is being maintained. Here it is stacks on the 5. On weekly chart, it doesn't look that bad, but we do acknowledge that selling currently is hitting this particular cryptocurrency. There it is on the 3 weeks. Here is stacks on the 5. Very, very strong spread bar there. And here it is on the monthly. Okay. So now, let's go ahead and create a buy zone. This is the area that we really don't want to see the market buyers allow the sellers to break below. Because if they do, then we suspect that the market's going to continue to go a lot lower in price. All right. So this is the situation. Currently, there is selling going on right up in this sell zone right here. And the good part is that right now, there is enough interest, demand in the market for people to buy it. Like people are here buying up this currency at these high prices. But if they run out of money, then where do you think price is going to go next? It's going to go down. That's why we created that buy zone. I rate there around $2.40. We don't want to see the market in stats go lower than that, because if it does, then we could see a pretty big movement to the downside. So I just want to prepare you all for that. Now, looking at this on this 7-hour bar, it kind of tells me that there's still people wanting to buy stacks. They're trying to support the market from falling below $2.80. Currently, this still tells me on these 2 7-hour bars that the weakness is still there, that the selling is increasing as they're trying to break, and I'm talking about the buyers, as the buyers are trying to break through this sell zone. Okay. So for us, what we're going to do is we're going to chill out. I think we're going to chill out for the moment. Well, let me do this. We'll include a price prediction looking for stacks to go up. Now, the only reason why I'm doing that is because we don't really cover this cryptocurrency on a daily basis. Like I said, June, July of last year was the last time we even talked about this currency. But if Pantera Capital is talking about it, if it's on their radar, then maybe we might need to cover this one a little more often. We'll see. But yeah, let's go ahead and anticipate that the market move in stacks it's going to continue to go up. Now, our first problem is right here already in this sell zone. So either at the midpoint of the sell zone or at the high of the sell zone would be our first target. Okay. Anything outside of that, I have no idea where it's going to go. So let's just move it up to around $4. Gives us a 30% move to the upside from where price currently is right now in stacks. All right, so that's it. We'll see what happens. Currently, the trend is still bullish. I'm not seeing any indication that the bears or sellers are really trying to move this market to the downside in stacks. It's not here yet, but we would definitely talk about that once this market breaks its buy zone down here, because we can definitely see it run back down to $2, and then the next area after $2 is going to be testing this trend line. Okay, so go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.